Hello everyone. This is the 180-station foundation-free mixing plant installed in Tbilisi, equipped with a 4-bin batching machine, and is feeding materials through a belt conveyor. The foundation-free mixing plant is a concrete mixing plant that can be quickly installed and put into use without large-scale infrastructure construction. The bottom of the cement silo is generally equipped with a supporting structure, which can be directly installed on a relatively flat ground. After being mixed with cement by the JS300 mixer, it is loaded into a concrete tanker and transported to the construction site. Intelligent automatic control system supports remote monitoring, adopts PLC control, supports automatic operation, and can also be manually controlled, which is simple and convenient to operate. The installation period is short, and the equipment can be flexibly moved. It is suitable for engineering projects that need to be put into production quickly or used in multiple locations. It is especially suitable for short-term projects or projects with limited space. We focus machinery stand for new product ideas and courageous vision of the future, which can be directly installed on a relatively flat ground. We focus on your project needs. If you're looking for a particular supplier or specific configurations, I can provide more details or recommendations.